Open up the window. I'm breathing in the last of September. I can feel the wind blow, and the late summer sky is like a giant ember. Everything is turning into gold when the autumn leaves.
Alright, so the prize for each game is 28 candy bars.
Who's gonna eat all that?
I just wanted one.
I ate most of it before we even got up here. I had to order another case of Snickers.
Look at this glutton here. Eating all the candy bars.
I'm storing it for winter.
Oh, winter, so a big grizzly bear.
Regular?
So we need 4 corners. Regular bingo.
Not 4 corners. Not 4 corners?
Yeah, not 4 corners, just regular.
Okay. Now you know.
First one. B5. B5. G56. G56. G46.
Bingo.
Bingo.
Please
raise your hand if you have bingo. Okay,
Oh,
you got
there's
2.
divides, you gotta split it.
So we'll have to split that into 14 apiece.
Yeah. Your local dentist thanks you.
46.
Yep.
49.
Yep.
54.
Yep.
56.
Yep.
57.
Yep.
Diabetic coma?
46. 48.
Yep.
56.
Right.
57.
Right.
60.
Yep.
That's a good bingo.
14 to 14, look at that.
Woo!
First one, 065.
065. Well, I better go play.
065.
Come on.
B7. B7.
Ready?
Yep.
1.
Yep.
7.
Yep.
26.
Yep.
28.
Yep.
47. 56.
Yep.
62.
Yep.
And 65.
Yep.
That was
Oh, mine's been going off all day today.
What do you get? You get this.
Whoa! Happy Halloween. Yeah, really.
I-28. I-28.
Almost.
You're gonna call all of them? Yeah. Start with the B.
What? Do you want any? Just in case, because there could be a mistake, so hold on to it.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 18, 19, 24, 25, 28,
Bad bingo.
35, 36, 37, 38, 49, 51, 54, 56, 64, 68, 69, 71, 70 and 71.
That is a good bingo. 63.
Nobody else.
Tracy got it done.
3, 4, 9, 12, 15, 19, 27, 35, 38, 58, 59, 62, 63, 68, 69, 70. That was a good bingo, lady.
Tracy's got one too. Tracy.
Oh, Tracy's got one.
There's two, I've got the third one.
Oh, that means I gotta divide 3.
I don't think
1, 9, 10, 12, 14, 20, 23, 39, 42, 48, 59, 61, 63, 65, 72, and 74.
That is a good bingo.
Okay, so it's gonna take me a minute. I gotta divide one more. I gotta go the other one. Anybody else have a bingo out there?
No, because you didn't call.
Okay. Well, Holly's got 2, so now it matters. Now it didn't matter before if she was the only winner.
He's gonna divide by 3. No. 28 divided by 3.
Are you ready? 5, 9, 10, 15, 21, 25, 33, 41, 48, 60, 63, 66, 67, 70, 73.
Okie dokie.
Okie dokie.
Alright, last game is on the purple board. Inside round robin.
That's the 6 spaces
Around the free space.
around the free space.
I know. It's my nature. It follows me everywhere.
Oh, you're getting rid of all the seats, right?
Just getting him out of the way. Let's do another one for the hell of it, right?
Shut up, Kevin. The more you talk, the more they come out.
She's picking nothing but BO.
Yeah.
N36. N36. I-16.
Ah. Oh.
Got it. G59. G59.
Oh, finally got one.
N43.
Bingo!
Has been called. Is there any other bingo? Bank day, 20, 22, 28, 32, 43, 46, 49, 54.
That is a good bingo.
Great job. Great job. Great job. Time to get the cocktail bar ready.
Yeah, it's already 3:30.